Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to upload photo in Google Drive. Once they have given us the Google Drive link to upload elements, we are going to copy and paste it into our browser. A problem that we may encounter is not having access to it if access has not been configured correctly and we have to request it. If we can access the path correctly, we can drag the elements we want there. It is also possible that if we have not been given permissions to edit, it will not let us add elements here. Let's see how to share a Google Drive item correctly. We are going to go to the folder or item that we want to share and right-click on it. After that, we choose the option to share twice. Here we can add the users with whom we want to share via email or copy the link. To share the link without problems, under General Access, select the Anyone with the Link option, and then give them editor permissions if you want them to be able to add content. Since we had reader mode, we couldn't upload files there. Lastly, let's copy the link to share it. Now we will see that since we have changed the permissions and have granted the editor mode, if another account with the link adds files, there will no longer be problems like before. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.